In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Shopify swiftly and securely. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just setting up your first store, logging in is your first and crucial step to getting things done. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you find most comfortable to navigate. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.shopify.com, then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to Shopify's homepage, where you'll see various options and menus, but our focus today is the login function. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're logging in with your email, make sure it's the same one you used when you initially created your Shopify account. Enter your password carefully, being sure to check the caps lock key on your keyboard, as passwords are case sensitive. If your store uses two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter a code sent either to your mobile device or generated by an authenticator app. This is an additional security measure to ensure that your account remains protected. Using two-factor authentication is highly recommended as it provides an extra layer of security for your business. If you opted for the authenticator app method, open the app, retrieve the code, and enter it in the designated field, then submit. Now, let's discuss some potential issues you might encounter. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. Simply click on Forgot Password below the login fields. Enter your registered email, and Shopify will send you a link to reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email carefully, as it helps maintain your account's security. In case you have multiple stores, after logging in, you might see an account selection page. Here, take your time to find and select the store you intend to manage. This is particularly useful if you run several Shopify stores and need to switch between them seamlessly. Remember to always log out once you've finished your session, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. You can do this by clicking on the profile icon at the top right and selecting Log Out. This simple step is fundamental in keeping your information secure. And there you have it. Logging into Shopify is fairly straightforward once you get the hang of it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to managing your Shopify store efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.